Hi everyone. So I am here to present our simple login program, and these are the code that we use. There you go. Then dito tayo, try natin. First is we need to sign up. Username Braille, password A B C D E. Then dito sa confirm password, try nating imali yung ilalagay natin. CD. Dito email, kahit ano yan. Then sign up. And may magpapakitang password do not match. Lalagay ko na dito yung tamang password nya. Then sign up. Ayan. Sign up successful. You can now log in. Press natin yung OK. Then maglalagin na tayo. Then dito sa password, try nating ilagay yung maling password para i-test lang yung if gumagana. Login and invalid username or password. Then lalagay na natin yung tama. Login. Ayan, login sa successful. Then try naman natin itong forget password natin. Enter your username, which is Braille. Dito gumamit kami ng encryption algorithm, which is Caesar cipher, which is shift character by 10. Press natin OK. Ayan, encrypted password KLMNO. So yun lang. Thank you for watching.